Ever dreamed of the perfect road trip? Who hasn't? Imagine the open road stretching before you, the wind in your hair, a world of exciting destinations just waiting to be discovered. The freedom of setting your own pace, the thrill of stumbling upon hidden gems, the joy of unique experiences that come with every turn. This is the allure of a road trip, a dream of the perfect adventure. So, how does one go about planning the perfect road trip? Like, share and subscribe, and let's dive in. The first step to planning a road trip is choosing your route. It's like painting a masterpiece. Your canvas is the open road and your brushstrokes are the paths you decide to take. Your destination is crucial, of course. But remember, it's not just about where you're going, it's about how you get there. Consider scenic routes that offer stunning views and interesting stops along the way. These could be anything from historic landmarks to quirky roadside attractions. After all, half the fun of a road trip is the unexpected discoveries you make along the way. Now, how do you plan this route? Tools like Google Maps can be your best friend. They can show you different route options, estimated travel times, and even suggest places of interest. There are also specialized road trip apps that offer extensive route suggestions and planning features. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination, so choose a route that will make your road trip an adventure to remember. Scene script. Next up, packing. What are the essentials for a road trip? Now, it's all about balance. You want to pack light, but you also need to make sure you're prepared for anything. Let's start with the absolute must-haves. Maps, for those rare moments when technology fails us. Snacks and water, because let's face it, we've all been stuck in traffic and wished we had something to munch on. Don't forget a first aid kit. It's one of those things you hope you'll never need, but you'll be grateful to have if the occasion arises. Now, onto the fun stuff. Entertainment, music, podcasts, audiobooks, whatever keeps you entertained and alert on the road. Before we wrap up, let's not forget about our trusty vehicle. It's going to need some attention too. Check your vehicle thoroughly, make sure you have all necessary spare parts and your fuel tank is topped up before you hit the road. With the right packing, you are ready for any adventure that comes your way. You've chosen your route and packed your essentials. What's left? Well, let's dive into the final preparations for your road trip. Firstly, always check the weather forecasts for your entire route. Mother Nature can be unpredictable and it's best to be prepared for any surprises she might throw at you. Next up, let someone know about your travel plans. It could be a family member, friend, or neighbor. This way, someone else is aware of your whereabouts just in case. Also, make sure all your paperwork is in order. This includes your driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance. These are your safety nets on the road. Now, a couple of quick tips. Take regular breaks during your drive. It's important to rest and recharge. And remember, flexibility is your friend. The beauty of a road trip is the freedom it offers. With these tips in mind, you're all set for your perfect road trip. Happy travels! So there you have it, a guide to planning your perfect road trip. We've navigated through selecting the ideal route, mastering the art of packing essentials, and running through those final preparations. It's all about striking a balance between careful planning and spontaneous adventure. So gear up for the thrill of the open road, the scenic detours, and the joy of discovering hidden gems along the way. Remember, the best road trips are those where the unexpected is part of the plan. Embrace the journey and create unforgettable memories. Safe travels!